Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's the next week. Last week we were with John, so go check out those videos. It was super fun. And I think the week before that I pulled something in my side, so hopefully I'm able to manage this week and not hurt too bad. I'm shedding yellow hair everywhere. Yeah, we're gonna go pull floor. Peyton and Dad are gonna go shopping at a supply house to get stuff because they're never open on the weekends. This is Friday. So they're gonna go shopping. Kayla and I are gonna pull floor. Mom wants us wearing goggles. I brought knee pads this time and my tripod so that we can have a nice little video. Honestly, I'm looking so stylish with these. Also, I feel like you deserve a little walkthrough of like the updated rat house. So like this is the new window paint that I put in. Electrical has been getting done. Last week Peyton and I helped the daily electrician wire in some of the tie-in, I guess, some wires. We're on the last layer of floor coming up. We got a lot of other layers already through. We are going to get started on plumbing very shortly. We're waiting for the permit to go through for HVAC, so we haven't really done anything other than pull out the old stuff. And there's a new shower pan. There's not much else that's new, but this is what it's looking like as of now. Oops, knocked the hammer over. Yeah, but that's what it's looking like. And now we're gonna pull some floor.
Hi there.
We got a lot done. I wanted to finish it, but we gotta head out.
But we just came.
And what did you say that I... Oh,
Who needs a rage room when you got this?
literally.
Cause I be raging on this.
I love working with Michaela when nobody else is around because nobody else lets me sing and Michaela lets me sing.
Nobody else lets me be who I am. Hi.
Yeah, so we didn't play the radio. No old men were around to tell us to shut up. We just got to sing and live our life and work hard.
Work hard, play hard, and then eat later.
And other stuff. Well, I think we're coming back here tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I love you.
Well, I don't look as good in these goggles as the other ones, but I guess they'll have to do. Bro, I can't even take them off. Ugh. Okay, my glasses are coming with. We're trying to go do more work at Rat House, but my dad took the car that has a lot of the stuff in it. So, we're finding other things in the garage. I think we'll figure it out. Kayla's worried about her shoes. That's like the worst of it, honestly. The rest of it should be okay. Yep. I'll do a little update before we start working when we're there.
Yeah.
Hello. It is day 2 of episode 6. And we're gonna rip up more flooring and work on more plumbing. This is Michaela, my sister. That's Peyton, you know her, my sister. And that is Ralph, my boyfriend.
Ew.
Yep,
Sorry.
so, another day of work. I got different goggles this time. They don't look as cool as the other ones. Let's go.
Are you regretting your decision? He's like,
Wow, look at you right now.
Hundred to 0 quick.
it for this video. We got the floor done. Teamwork makes the dream work. I don't know what you did downstairs, but good job. Not much.
Okay, I'll talk. We're doing a water heater. Look at my line. And then go up. And then you can hold on. And then it's up 90, and then a T. Oh, and then this goes up there too. And I gotta put a little piece in the middle, and it'll be connected. Oh wait, that's wrong. I'm not doing that.
Well,
Let me cut this out.
working hard or hardly working. Okay.
We're leaving. Say bye.